All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time, On Target play of the day. You have three screens in front of you. On the far left screen, you have a 1-minute chart in the SPY, which is the S&P 500. In the middle chart, if you will, that's Penn Gaming, PENN. They just got put into the S&P 500 as of today. They've already gapped up 7%. They have over 100,000 shares, so it meets all of our criteria. And then on the far right, we have Lilly, which is the company Eli Lilly. Just been working on an Alzheimer's drug for a long time, and they've had some, not the results that they were expecting. So that sold off. It's down about 7%, and you can see it falling down there. So here's the opening bell right now. All right, you just heard the opening bell. We're going to go ahead and zoom in on these three charts if I can do it. There you go. So again, looking at PENN Long and Lilly Short. Confirm our windows. Yep, Penn's still up 6%. Lilly down 8%. Lilly's kind of dropping like a rock, so it's going to be tough to get an entry on that unless it backs up. However, I do like PENN Long here. Be using $1. I'm thinking of the stop as $1, but it's already down here at $1.50 level if we were to cover the low of the day. I'd rather use $1 stop. We're going to take it at 139. There's 139. So we're into the trade at 139. We're going to use $1 stop down here to 138. And then, of course, our exit point is going to be up here at 142. So thinking 140 for the first R unit. Hard to draw on this little screen. 141 for the second R unit. And then the third R unit is off of the screen. See if I can get an arrow here. You can still take this here. It's right around our entry point. World's worst arrow, but at least it's letting me draw it. So we are in the Penn Gaming trade long, right around the entry point. So again, you can still take it here. All right, so our trade, we're looking good in the trade. We're up almost an R. Or at least we're in the green. It looks like it's holding this 139 level. Well, of course, I say that, it dips right back down to it. So we're going to check back on that trade. If you're in it, have it pulled up on another screen, because I'm going to switch off to see what's going on in the larger market. So, well, no, I leave it right at the wrong time, right? So, all right, up over 140. We certainly like that. Again, we're going to check back on that. 142 is your exit, 142. All right, up almost to the 2R point. So we will pivot away from that and look at, again, 142 is your exit. All right, right at 142. Nice. So nice, 142. Nice. We'll get this drawn in here. And hey, look at it falling back. So we picked the exact right exit point there. So thanks, Burner, for chiming in there. So successful trade. 3R trade on the day.